Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad browser compatibility issues in 2026. So if CryptPad is not loading correctly, certain features are missing, or the platform behaves unexpectedly in your browser, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure you're using a supported browser. CryptPad works best with modern browsers that receive regular updates and security improvements. Next, update your browser to the latest version available. Outdated browsers often cause compatibility problems with newer web applications and features. Now try opening CryptPad in a different browser. Testing with another browser can help determine whether the issue is specific to your current setup. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can interfere with page loading, account access, and document functionality. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes conflict with CryptPad features. Next, open CryptPad in an incognito or private browsing window. If everything works there, the problem is likely related to your browser settings or extensions. Now make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser, as many CryptPad features depend on it to function properly. Next, check your browser's security and privacy settings. Extremely restrictive settings can block scripts, storage access, and real-time synchronization. Now restart your browser after making any changes and try accessing CryptPad again. Finally, if the issue continues, reset your browser settings or reinstall the browser before testing CryptPad once more. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad browser compatibility issues. Now the platform should load correctly and all features should work as expected. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.